Have you ever heard of milk thistle? It's a plant with a prickly appearance, but don't let that fool you. Milk thistle has been used for centuries as a natural remedy. It's gaining popularity for its potential health benefits. This amazing plant might just hold the key to a healthier you. Let's explore the world of milk thistle and discover its secrets. Milk thistle is easy to find and use. You can take it as a supplement or drink it as a tea. It's important to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement, including milk thistle. Your doctor can help you determine the right dosage and ensure it won't interact with any medications you're taking. Milk thistle's benefits are wide-ranging, from supporting liver health to improving skin. It's a true gift from nature that can help you feel your best. So let's delve deeper into the world of milk thistle and uncover all its amazing properties. Milk thistle, also known as Silybum marianum, is a flowering plant. It's native to the Mediterranean region but now grows in many parts of the world. Milk thistle gets its name from the milky sap that comes out of its leaves when they're crushed. The main active compound in milk thistle is silymarin. Silymarin is a powerful antioxidant that protects the liver from damage. Antioxidants are like superheroes for your body, fighting off harmful molecules called free radicals. Free radicals can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. Milk thistle's silymarin acts as a shield, defending your liver from these harmful invaders. This protective effect makes milk thistle a valuable ally for maintaining liver health. Your liver is your body's powerhouse, responsible for filtering toxins, digesting food, and producing essential proteins. Keeping your liver healthy is vital for overall well-being. Milk thistle has been shown to support liver health in several ways. Studies suggest that silymarin, the active compound in milk thistle, may help protect liver cells from damage caused by toxins like alcohol and drugs. It may also help reduce inflammation in the liver and promote cell regeneration. These properties make milk thistle a potential therapeutic agent for various liver conditions. Milk thistle has been studied for its potential benefits in managing various liver conditions. Research suggests that milk thistle may help protect against liver damage caused by non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD. NAFLD is a condition in which fat builds up in the liver, impairing its function. Milk thistle's potential benefits extend to other liver conditions as well. Studies have explored its use in supporting individuals with hepatitis, a viral infection that causes liver inflammation. While more research is needed, early findings suggest that milk thistle may help protect the liver from further damage. Milk thistle's potential role in managing cirrhosis, a condition where scar tissue replaces healthy liver tissue, has also been investigated. While not a cure, milk thistle might help slow down the progression of cirrhosis. Furthermore, milk thistle shows promise in protecting the liver from the damaging effects of alcohol consumption. While it's not a substitute for responsible drinking habits, milk thistle might offer some protection against alcohol-related liver damage. Detoxification milk thistle lends a helping hand. Our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins from the environment, food, and even our own metabolic processes. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxification, filtering out these harmful substances. Milk thistle can support your liver's natural detoxification process. Silymarin, the active compound in milk thistle, acts as an antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage liver cells. By protecting the liver, milk thistle helps it function optimally in removing toxins from the body. Milk thistle may also support the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant produced by the liver. Glutathione plays a vital role in detoxification, binding to toxins and making them water-soluble so they can be easily excreted from the body. By enhancing glutathione levels, milk thistle indirectly boosts the body's detoxification capacity. This detoxification support contributes to overall health and well-being. Milk thistle's skin-saving secrets. Healthy skin starts from within, and milk thistle can play a role in achieving that radiant glow. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that milk thistle may offer benefits for skin health. Its antioxidant properties are thought to be key to its potential skin-saving effects. Milk thistle's silymarin may help protect the skin from damage caused by ultraviolet radiation from the sun. UV radiation is a major contributor to premature aging, causing wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. By neutralizing free radicals generated by UV exposure, milk thistle may help preserve skin's youthful appearance. Furthermore, milk thistle's anti-inflammatory properties may be beneficial for inflammatory skin conditions like acne and eczema. Inflammation is a natural immune response, but chronic inflammation can damage skin cells and contribute to skin problems. Milk thistle's ability to reduce inflammation might help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness and swelling associated with these conditions. Fighting inflammation. Milk thistle's superpower. Inflammation is a natural part of the body's healing process. However, chronic inflammation can contribute to various health issues including heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Milk thistle exhibits potent anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable ally in the fight against inflammation. Silymarin, the star compound in milk thistle, is thought to interfere with the production of inflammatory molecules in the body. By reducing the production of these molecules, milk thistle helps dampen the inflammatory response, protecting tissues and organs from damage. This anti-inflammatory action of milk thistle is not limited to a specific organ or system. It can benefit various parts of the body, from the liver to the skin to the joints. Antioxidant Action. Milk thistle's defense system. Antioxidants are essential for maintaining good health. They protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can wreak havoc in the body. Milk thistle is a potent source of antioxidants, particularly silymarin. Silymarin acts as a free radical scavenger, neutralizing these harmful molecules before they can cause damage. This antioxidant activity is crucial in protecting the liver from toxin-induced damage. By neutralizing free radicals, milk thistle helps prevent oxidative stress, a condition characterized by an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants. Oxidative stress is implicated in various diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Milk thistle's antioxidant power makes it a valuable tool in maintaining overall health and well-being. Milk thistle and digestion, a healthy partnership. A healthy digestive system is essential for absorbing nutrients and eliminating waste products. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that milk thistle may support digestive health. Milk thistle is thought to stimulate the production of bile, a fluid produced by the liver that aids in the digestion and absorption of fats. By promoting bile flow, milk thistle may help prevent indigestion and bloating. Furthermore, milk thistle's anti-inflammatory properties may soothe the digestive tract, potentially benefiting individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, or IBD. These conditions are characterized by inflammation in the gut, leading to symptoms like abdominal pain, diarrhea, and constipation. Using milk thistle. Your guide. Milk thistle is available in various forms, making it easy to incorporate into your routine. You can find milk thistle supplements in capsules, tablets, and liquid extracts. Milk thistle tea is another popular option, offering a soothing and flavorful way to enjoy its benefits. The appropriate dosage of milk thistle varies depending on the form and individual needs. It's essential to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the right dosage for you. When choosing a milk thistle supplement, opt for reputable brands that undergo third-party testing to ensure quality and purity. Look for products standardized to contain a specific percentage of silymarin, the active compound. Embrace the power of milk thistle. Milk thistle, a humble weed with a prickly exterior, harbors remarkable health benefits. From supporting liver health and aiding detoxification to promoting skin health and fighting inflammation, this plant is a true gift from nature. While more research is needed to fully understand its potential, milk thistle has shown promise in managing various health conditions. Incorporating milk thistle into a healthy lifestyle might offer numerous benefits, contributing to overall well-being. As with any supplement, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before adding milk thistle to your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Have you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the power of kale? We'd love for you to like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips and healthy recipes. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all the latest superfood secrets, wellness tips, and tasty ways to elevate your meals. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and welcome to the community. #like, share, subscribe.